I am Wang Zhao, a senior engineer from the Alibaba Cloud ACK team. This course introduces CNFS. In this course, I will show you how to use CNFS in ACK clusters. I will also introduce the quota capability and scaling capability of CNFS. When you create a cluster and you select dynamically provision volumes by using the default NAS file systems and CNFS, a NAS file system and a storage class are created after you create the cluster. Now let us check the status of the CNFS in the cluster. The CNFS is in the available status. Here we can view all information about the NAS file system. Let us also check the status of the storage class. The name of the created storage class is Alibaba Cloud-CNFS-NAS. In the Parameters section, you can see that the name of the created CNFS is referenced. Next, we use the storage class to create a workload. You can see that it is a stateful set to which a PVC is mounted. The storage class of the mounted PVC is named Alibaba Cloud-CNFS-NAS. The storage size is 1 GB. The value of access modes is read-write many. The stateful set will be scheduled to node cn/hanjo.172.16.0.162. The nginx image is used. When nginx starts up, you can run command dd. You can run command dd to write a 1 GB file to the /data/test path. Apply the configurations. Check the status of the pod. Wait until the pod enters the running state. Now it is in the running state. Check the mounting progress in the container. You can see that the created NAS file system is mounted to the /data path. The storage size of /data is 1 GB. This indicates that the dd command is executed. In Demo 2, the data in Demo 1 is referenced. Now we are going to verify the quota capability of the PVC and scale the storage size of the PVC. First, view the YAML file that is used in Demo 2. A stateful set is created. The PVC that is used in Demo 1 is also used in Demo 2. The /data path is also used as the mount path. The difference between Demo 2 and Demo 1 is that /data is scheduled to node 163. Now apply the configurations. You can see that the stateful set in Demo 2 enters the running state. Check the storage size of the /data path under du-sh. The storage size is 1.1 GB. This indicates that the data used in Demo 1 is written to the /data path. Run command dd to write part of the data and verify the quota capability. When you write data by using command dd, the disk quota exceeded message appears. This indicates that quota has taken effect. Now, let us scale the storage size of the PVC. Run the patch command to increase the storage size of the PVC to 5 GB. Then, run the get PVC command. And wait until the storage size increases to 5 GB. Now you can see that the storage size of the PVC is increased to 5 GB. Run the dd command to write data to the PVC and check whether any error message appears. If no error message appears, the scaling operation is successful. The storage size is increased.